Hi, it's April with the Vocal Veteran. I just want to share a wonderful victory that I just had for a veteran. We got him to 100%, and it's so wonderful to make those phone calls. I actually got to make 3 of those this week, and it never gets old. It's a wonderful time to celebrate with the veteran that the hard work that we've done together has resulted in them getting the disability rating and benefits that they deserve. So for this veteran in particular, I just want to share with his permission sort of how the relationship evolved and how our work together step by step went. So this veteran found me on YouTube, reached out, made an appointment. You can do the same. So thevocalveteran.com is my website. And then there is just a very short Google form to fill out. I promise it's not difficult. And then after that, there's a link to my calendar, and we can have a 15-minute phone conversation to see if it's a good fit to work together. So I'll just put that plug in. So this veteran had done that many months ago, like probably 6 months ago, 8 months ago, something like that. And so we had our phone call, and at the time, the veteran had some things that were in process. So they were pending. And if they were successful, the veteran was going to get to 100%. All good. So we had a great conversation, and I said, I think you're good. I don't think you need my help at this point because it sounds like you've done everything right. But hey, if it doesn't work out, you have my number, reach out, let me know if I can help. So a couple of months later, turns out the claim did not go his way. It was not a favorable result. And so the veteran reached back out and said, okay, you know what? I think I do need your help. I said, great. So sent over the paperwork, signed on, got access in January, and then we talked about the appeal strategy. We agreed on what to do. I filed that in, I guess, February, and then here we are. This is early April, and we got the positive result. So it's just really exciting to celebrate that victory. He gave me permission to share, and so I wanted to share that wonderful victory. But also to say that just because you sign up for a phone conversation doesn't mean like you're locked in. I have many, many phone conversations, and oftentimes they result in a client relationship, but not all the time. And that's fine too. Like I'm not here to hard sell anybody. I think that's probably clear from my videos. If you've watched me for any length of time, like this is what you see is what you get. But if you have some questions, or you're like, you know what, I'm just curious, sign up. I'm happy to have a short conversation, and then we'll see. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this victory. I love to celebrate, and more to come, right? Have a great day, y'all.